Morning, student. As you know, we are studying the first chapter, the Cold War era, right? We have completed the Cuban Missile Crisis, and this is the example of the Cold War. There is you can saw there is the confrontations, conflict, tensions, but war not completely. This conflict and confrontation not completely converted into war. That is called Cold War, right? This is the example. The two leaders, American President John F. Kennedy and Russian Prime Minister Nikita Khrushchev, and the responsible for this crisis, right? The Cuban Missile Crisis. You have completed so far. We have also completed what is the meaning of Cold War, and this is the fight of ideologies, liberal democracy and capitalisms, and ideology of socialism and communism, right? After this is completed, now we have today topic is the emergence of two power block, right? The emergence of two power blocks. How these two power block emerge? So we know that after the end of Second World War, these two countries as allies or friend, we can say. But after end of the Second World War, these two countries emerge as two power block, right? And they start to helping the and giving the protection of poor nations or those nations which are not well developed, and those are which are not economically powerful, and those are which are not politically powerful, right? Here is, you can see the two power block. One is USSR, USSR and USA and its allies. This is the power blocks of allies and the nations. Here you can see in the map, the in red color you can see Warsaw Pact, means these are the alliance of Russian or USSR, and in communist allies or USSR, right? In pink color, other alliance of USSR. This is the red, pink, and all the red color is belong to the allies of Russia, and the blue color is represent the allies of USA and NATO, and other allies of USA, light green colors, C color, right? So we can see, and the gray color are unallied states in the world, and India is the part of that unallied, right? You can see these gray colors are not the part of these two power block. In the Asian continent, in the South African continent, you can see, and many other parts are, but Europe and America indulge in these power blocks, right? The two superpower wanted to expand their sphere influence in different part of the world, hence they decide to take the help of a smaller country, right? They give promise and protections, weapons, and economic and again aid and their local rivals, mostly regional neighbors. Means these countries, two powerful countries, are playing the game that, suppose that India and Pakistan, so one of them choose the Pakistan, that whom the fear of their neighbors, and they easily make the alliance due to they have the logic, right? And everybody want to join the alliance and want to help these two powerful bloc, because they are already giving them aid, financial help, military help, right? and the bloc which is led by USA, that is the Western Alliance. Most of the Western countries and NATO groups join this alliance, right? And the Soviet camp means Russian camp known as Eastern Alliance. The country of Western Alliance are United Kingdom, Iceland, Norway, Denmark, Western Germany, the Netherlands, Belgium, Luxembourg, and the Western Alliance countries are mostly Albania, Bulgaria, Czechoslovakia, German Democratic, East Germany, North, West Germany, Hungary, Poland, and Romania. These are the Eastern Alliance, and this is also known as Warsaw Pact. And the Western Alliance formed itself into an organization, the North Atlantic Treaty, NATO. It came into existence in 1949 with 12 states, right? How many states? The 12 states, right? And now come to the NATO declared that armed attack on any one of them in Europe or North America would be regarded as an attack on all of them. The Eastern Alliance, also known as Warsaw Pact, which is led by Russia. It was established in 1955. Warsaw Pact, keep in mind. Or why the Warsaw Pact is established? It is established to counter the Western Alliance or NATO group of Western Alliance, right? And these countries, power bloc or America or USA, make some other alliance systems called Southeast Asian Treaty Organization, SEATO, in the Southeast Asian countries, and in Central Asian countries they make Central Treaty Organization, CENTO, right? It means that these are the alliance of USA, not only the America, Europe. This is also spread in Asia, Asian continent. The many new independent countries were worried of losing their freedom, cracked and split within alliance were quick to appear. Communist China quarreled with the USSR toward the late 1950s. The other important development was the non-allied movement, right? So these are the emergence of two power blocks and non-allied movement or NAM countries not joining these two power blocks. They make themselves separate from these two power blocks. The smaller country were of help to the superpower because they were the means to gain vital resources such as oil, minerals, location to spy each other and launch weapons, right? So these are the emergence of the two power bloc, USA and USSR, right? Because these two power give the promises either they are true or false, and they have their own vested instead to make alliance, their own alliance too powerful, and that they can dominate to each others. Two power blocks. Hope you understand it, right? And thank for watching this video. Have a good day.